Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete permanently your TikTok account. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch TikTok app first. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to click on the lower right corner. Click on your profile. Then I want you to go ahead and tap on the three straight lines on the upper right. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're at your settings and privacy menu, I want you to click on account. This is where the magic happens, guys. As you can see over here, scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page, you will find an option that is called deactivate or delete your account. When you click on this, you will have the two options and you will have the options to do either of these options. First of all, delete account permanently. Your account and content will be deleted permanently. You may cancel the deletion request by reactivating your account within 30 days. So guys, if I click delete account and I confirm, I will have 30 days to go back, log in, recover my account and save it before it gets deleted and the whole information simply gets wiped out, okay? But if you want to keep your data, but you want to hide your profile for, couple of weeks, couple of months, you could simply deactivate it. What will happen if you click deactivate? Well, no one can see your account, including all the content, videos, slideshows, whatever you publish, okay? And reactivating your account is very easy. All you gotta do is simply to, go back, log in, and everything will be reactivated. This is how simple it is. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.